In this video, we are going to demonstrate wearing or donning of personal protective equipment by healthcare workers caring for COVID-19 patients. Wearing personal protective equipments and maintaining proper hand hygiene is essential to prevent transmission of the virus to the healthcare workers. Respiratory protection is carried out using a N95 respirator. Eye protection is done with goggles or face shield. Body protection includes long sleeves impermeable gown or coverall with boot cover and hood, and hands are protected with gloves. Now we will take you through the proper steps required for donning the PPE. Prior to donning, the healthcare worker will ensure he has eaten, is well hydrated and has used the restroom. The healthcare worker should change into scrubs and dedicated washable footwear before entering the designated donning area. The PPE will be donned in an area where it is safe to be without the PPE. The first step involves engaging a trained observer. A trained observer should supervise donning of PPE and ensures that PPE kit contains 2 pairs of gloves, 1 body gown or coverall, 1 pair of long shoe covers, 1 pair of goggles and 1 pair of N95 respirator. The next step is to visually inspect the PPE for size and damage prior to donning. Check all the items of the PPE carefully. Hair should be tied back and all personal items and jewelry are removed. Glasses should be secured if any. Next step is wearing the boot covers. If a coverall without integrated socks is worn, the upper band of the boot cover will be worn under the pants leg of the coverall. Perform proper hand hygiene prior to start of donning the PPE. Hand hygiene will be performed with an alcohol-based hand rub. It is essential to perform all the steps of hand hygiene. Perform hand hygiene for at least 20 seconds. Begin donning the protective clothing by putting first layer of disposable gloves. Then put on the long-sleeved impermeable disposable gown or coverall. The gown or coverall should fit properly and should allow unrestricted movements. Ensure that cuffs of inner gloves are tucked under the sleeve of the gown or coverall. The trained observer checks again if the gown is worn correctly. Cup the N95 respirator and hold it close to your face over the nose with the straps hanging loose. First, pull the lower strap over the face and pull it over the ears till it rests at the nape of the neck. Then hold the upper strap over the head and let it rest over the ears. Press over the bridge of the nose to create a tight seal. Breathe in and out and check for any leaks from the mask by placing your cupped hands over the mask and under it. Check that the N95 respirator moves in and out with every breath. This ensures that there are no leaks. The trained observer ensures that N95 respirator is worn correctly. The healthcare worker will then wear the hood of the gown or coverall. The healthcare worker takes a 360-degree turn and the observer Checks the PPE to ensure proper donning. No exposed clothing or hair of the healthcare worker should be visible at the conclusion of the donning process. Remember that there are no compromises when it comes to donning the PPE. The PPE must be donned at all times when entering the patient care areas. After proper donning of the PPE, you are now ready to enter.